Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel Fold for Visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video, the Pixel Fold is coming soon to Visible, so I don't know when it will be available in Visible. Verizon is supposed to be getting the Pixel Fold on the 27th of June, so maybe Visible will get it the same day. I'm not really sure. So I don't know when this video will be on YouTube, so today is June 7th when I am recording this video here. So there is the Pixel Fold, Google's first foldable phone, which is very cool. So it will have 256 gigabytes of storage. That's what Visible is offering, the base model, and it will be available in an obsidian color option. So pretty cool there. So there is the cover display there on the Pixel Fold. You guys got your whole bunch of earpieces, power button, and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. There's the hinge right there. Right side power button and volume keys like I just said, and you have a bit of a camera bump down the back. Speaking of the camera, this is your camera setup here. It looks like it has 3 cameras, but I think it only has 2 cameras on the rear. Camera flash, I don't know what the hell this is, and you have your Google logo there on the back. You guys can also get the Pixel Fold monthly for $49.97 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, or $17.99 full retail price for the 256 gigabyte Pixel Fold. So, yeah. And I suggest you guys get phone insurance for this phone because this phone is $1,800. Get phone insurance. If you don't, you're a dumbass if you don't get insurance for this phone. Just saying. But it's your money. Do whatever you want with it. But if you don't get insurance for this phone, you are a dumbass. So, there you go. It says introducing Pixel Fold, the first foldable phone engineered by Google. All the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip in a thin, pocket-sized design. It's a Pixel phone on the outside and a big, immersive display on the inside for movies, photos, work, and multitasking. So you can do even more in so many ways. Best for the member that is looking for a thin and sophisticated foldable device that fits easily in your pocket, and this one does just that. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for updates if any. So, yeah. This is a 5G compatible device, obviously pretty much standard now. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan, the Visible Plus plan, and your passport is up to date. Specs. The cover display is a 5.8 inch display with a 17.4:9 ratio. The internal display is 7.6 inches with a 6:5 ratio. The Pixel Fold weighs 10 ounces exactly. Dimensions when the Pixel Fold is folded, it's 5.5 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.5 inches depth. When the Pixel Fold is unfolded, it is 5.5 inches height, 6.2 inches width, and 0.2 inches depth. The Pixel Fold, it takes a nano SIM card, or you have support for eSIM, so that's very cool. It runs Android 13. Rear camera is 48 megapixel main camera, 10.8 megapixel ultra wide camera lens. On the cover display, you guys have a 9.5 megapixel dual PD front facing camera. Then on the inner display is 8 megapixel front facing camera. Processor Google Tensor G2 within Titan M2 security co-processor there. 256 gigabytes of storage. And that's on the storage option that Visible offers for the Pixel Fold. There is an expandable storage because this is a Pixel device, obviously. Battery beyond 24 hours. Battery life minimum 4727 milliamp, typical 4821 milliamp battery. And I don't know why they got the camera specs right there. I guess it's just a typo, kind of interesting and funny. Security features, you guys have fingerprint unlock with power button, face unlock, pattern pin password. Network is 5G sub-6 millimeter wave roaming, yes. In the box includes your Type C to Type C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your some ejection tool. And if you guys want to learn more about the Pixel Fold, I will have the link down below. I don't know why they got the Galaxy A54 listed here. It's kind of all funny, but there you go. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Google Pixel Fold is now visible by Verizon. So I don't know when this video will be up on YouTube. So if you guys are looking to get a Pixel Fold on prepaid, Visible has you covered with that here. 256 gigabytes of storage, $17.99.99 for a retail price. Get insurance on it. If you don't, you're a dumbass. If you don't get insurance on it, because this is an $1,800 smartphone. So protect and get insurance on it. It will save your ass headaches. It will save your ass headaches. So get insurance on it. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.